Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart, so don't get scared. I'll be explaining them one by one. And if you have watched my other videos, then you know it well that I prefer to keep my chart clean. But in this case, I was quite helpless. So I had to draw these lines. Just a warning before we start that yes, this chart is extremely complicated, so do not lose your patience. Try to understand. I'll be trying to explain everything in simple words. Okay, so let's get started. So first and foremost, market has closed at 109.77, and if you have watched my other videos on USDjpy, then you can easily recognize the line in the middle, because I have been talking about this line for last 3-4 months, because 109.75 is the most crucial level for the USDjpy, because this is a level from the weekly chart. Because in the weekly chart, you can easily see that previously this level was acting as a resistance for the market for 2 months, then the same level became the support for the market. Okay. And now comes the complicated part. So after removing the drawings, you can see that okay, market is facing some serious selling pressure from above. But as we all know, 109.75 is a very important or extremely important level for USDjpy, and surprisingly this level is still holding the market. You can see that for the last 4-5 weeks, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, for 5-6 weeks, you can see that market face selling pressure from above, but this level is so strong that this level, or the buyer who is present in this level, is not ready to go down, is not ready to surrender. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the picture behind this chart. Okay, it means that sellers are, though they are pushing the price downside, but someone is present in this level who is not in the mood of going down. As a result, you can see that week after week, somehow price is managing to close above this level. Therefore, this level is still very important for the market right now. And apart from this level, okay, I tried to draw one trend line here, but you can see that the current market price is far away. Okay, the current market price is far away from this trend line. So in the future also, if market goes up from here, then this trend line may act as a resistance for the market. Therefore, if you want, then you can also draw this trend line. Okay. And apart from this trend line, I tried to draw two lines here. So after joining these two price levels, okay, after joining these price levels, I am getting a symmetrical, kind of a symmetrical triangle pattern. And generally in the symmetrical triangle pattern, we see that market crosses the line above. Okay, but in practical life, I have seen that okay, whenever you get a scenario like this, do not think that market will be only crossing this level. There is a good chance that market may be crossing this level as well. And as we have clearly seen on the weekly chart, that market is facing severe selling pressure from above for quite some time. Therefore, I will not recommend. Previously, I used to recommend that you can easily go for a buy at 109.75. But right now, you can see that for the past 4-5 weeks, whenever market is near the 109.75, still market is facing severe selling pressure from above. Though market is uh, though market is able to close by the end of the week, that's a different chapter. But market is still facing, that we cannot deny. And if we look at the chart here, then we do not get any proper picture what we should do right now. Honestly speaking, I also do not have the proper picture here. if you ask me, Abhilash, where the market will go or where the market may go, I do not have the proper answer, because if I look at the present pattern here, then also I can see that market is full of confusion. And to be honest, I also feel the same thing, that you should not trade in this kind of a market. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, this is a Forex sentiment meter, and you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So this is the USD JPY. 60% retail traders have taken short position and 39% retail traders have taken long position. So 60% are thinking that market will be going down, and 39% are thinking that market will be going up. Anyways, but as I always say, we should only trade with our analysis, our understanding, and our understanding or my understanding is going nowhere. So if you, so from my perspective, from my point of view, okay, I'll just tell you to avoid USD JPY for Monday, Tuesday does not matter. As long as you do not get any proper picture on USD JPY, please avoid trading on USD JPY. That's a request. And if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading on complicated markets like this, then you can go for it. If you can also go for scalping and all, that's your personal choice. But personally, I will not be trading, or I will not be suggesting USD JPY, because you can, we have seen on the weekly chart what is going on. Until and unless I get any clear picture, I will not trade. If by next week, if market successfully starts trading above this level, then that's a game changer. We can go for a buy and all. But right now, this is not the ideal position to trade at all, because we have seen that whenever market goes up, again it comes down to the 109.75. It is crossing the level, going down, or whenever it is going down or breaking the 109.75 level, again it is recovering. So things are not very simple here, and we all do not have proper levels also to trade here. So why you should trade on a chart that you do not understand? Why you should risk your money on a chart that you do not understand? So just avoid USD JPY. And if you think that I'm wrong, if your analysis varies, then please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. And most importantly, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market that are available, not like USD JPY. And if you're interested, just go through the information and click on the subscribe button. That's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again.